Hi guys and welcome back. My name is Allie and you are watching Coupon on the Fly. Hi guys and welcome back. I am so excited to be sharing another Family Dollar video with you all. Today I have created 3 all digital easy couponing scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. So don't forget, we can only use our 5 off 25 on Saturday, which is February 27th this week. Make sure you guys go on your Family Dollar accounts and clip all of your coupons, including your 5 off 25, so that you guys are already ready for Saturday. So this week, like I said, I've created 3 deals, and they are toilet paper deals and laundry deals. And there was a little bit of slim pickings at Family Dollar this week, but I did come up with 3 deals, and hopefully you guys will like them. So if you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure that you are subscribed to Coupon on the Fly because I've been posting couponing videos for a while now, and I post videos for Family Dollar and Dollar General every single week. So make sure you guys are subscribed to my channel. Also, don't forget to check out the description box for a link to my Instagram. You can find that down there. And always comment down below and let me know what other deals and what other products you guys would like to see. So without further ado, let's jump right on into this Family Dollar video. Okay guys, so hopping right into deal number 1, this will be a toilet paper deal. So our first item will be a 12 count package of the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper. Then you're going to grab another 12 count package of the Cottonelle toilet paper. Your next 2 items will be 2 bottles of the Garnier shampoo or conditioner, and they are the 12-ounce bottles. And if you guys have any scent recommendations on those, leave them down below because I would love to know what I should pick up for Saturday. Your next item will be a box of the Crest baking soda and whitening, and this is a value pack box, so you get 2 tubes of toothpaste in 1 box. Then you're going to be picking up a package of the Bic Silky Touch razors, and this is a 10 count package. And your last item will be an Airwick plug-in warmer, and this is just 1 single warmer in the package. Okay, so there's all the coupons you need clipped for deal number 1. So going over this deal's breakdown, the Scott Comfort Plus toilet paper is $5, and we have a $1 off coupon, making it only $4. The Cottonelle toilet paper package is also $5, and we again have a $1 off coupon, making it $4. The Garnier shampoo and conditioner, make sure you're grabbing 2 bottles because they are $3.50 each. So that makes it $7 for both bottles, and we have a high ticket coupon, a $4 off coupon, bringing that down to only $3. The Crest Value Pack toothpaste box is $3.75, and we have a $2 off coupon, making that only $1.75. The Bic Silky Touch razors are $3, and we have a $2 off coupon, making them only $1. And the Airwick plug-in, the single count of the plug-in warmer, is $1.75, and we have a $1.50 off coupon, bringing that down to only 25 cents. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.50, and after all of our coupons and savings come off, including our 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $9 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 1. Moving right along to deal number 2, we are first going to snag a 40-ounce bottle of Tide liquid detergent. Then you're going to snag a 13-count package of Tide Simply Pods. Your next item will be a 41-ounce bottle of Gain fabric softener. Then you are again going to grab 2 bottles of the Garnier shampoo or conditioner, and don't forget these are the 12-ounce bottles. Your next item will be the Crest Value Pack box of toothpaste. And your last item will be the 10 count package of Bic Silky Touch razors. So those are all of the coupons you need clipped for deal number 2. And going over its breakdown, the Tide liquid is on sale this week for $4.95, and we have a $2 off coupon, making it only $2.95. The Tide Simply Pods are $2.95, and we have a 50-cent off coupon, bringing that down to $2.45 for the package. The Gain fabric softener is $3.95, and we have a $1 off coupon, making it only $2.95. And just a little side note, my personal favorite scent of the Gain fabric softener is Blissful Breeze, if you guys want to pick that up on Saturday. Then, of course, our Garnier 2 bottles of shampoo or conditioner is $7, and we have our $4 off coupon, bringing that down to only $3. The Crest Box Value Pack box of toothpaste is $1.75 whenever we use our $2 off coupon. And the package of Bic Silky Touch razors is $3, and we have a $2 off coupon, making that only $1. So looking at the subtotal for deal number 2, it will be $25.60. And after our coupons and savings come off, including our 5 off 25, of course, we will spend a total of $9.10 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 2. Moving on to deal number 3, our first item will again be a 40-ounce bottle of Tide liquid detergent. Then you're going to snag a 128-ounce bottle of purex liquid detergent. This is a really big bottle of detergent, and purex is one of my favorite detergents. It smells so good. You're next going to grab 2 of the Febreze small spaces, and they can be in any scent of your choice. Then you're going to pick up a package of the U by Kotex pads, and this is a 20-count package of pads. And your last item will be, again, the 10-count package of Bic Silky Touch razors. Okay, so those are all of the coupons that you need clipped for deal number 3. And going over its breakdown, the Tide liquid is again $2.95 whenever we use our $2 off coupon. The Purex liquid detergent is $8. Like I said, this is a big bottle of detergent. And we have a $3 off coupon, making it only $5. Again, we're grabbing 2 of the Febreze small spaces, and they are $3 a piece, so that makes it $6 for both. And we have a $3 off coupon, bringing that down to only $3. And if you guys have any scent recommendations for the Febreze small spaces, I love to put them in my bathroom or my car, so what's going to smell best, leave it in the comment section down below. The U by Kotex pads are $3.25, and we have a $1 off coupon, making them only $2.25. And the Bic Silky Touch razors are, of course, $1 whenever we use our $2 off coupon. So looking at our subtotal, it will come to $25.20. And after all of our coupons and savings come off, including our 5 off 25, we will spend a total of $9.20 plus tax out of pocket for deal number 3. Okay guys, so there you have it. Those are 3 all digital, easy couponing scenarios for this Saturday at Family Dollar. Like I said, make sure you guys go on your Family Dollar account and clip all of the coupons you need for the deals, and make sure you have your 5 off 25 clipped so that you are ready to hit the ground running come Saturday. If you guys enjoyed this video, then definitely give it a big thumbs up. Make sure, of course, you are subscribed to Coupon on the Fly, because I love to post couponing videos and I love to save money on some everyday household items. Also, don't forget to comment down below. Let me know your favorite scents for the items I mentioned throughout the video, and also let me know what else you would like to see. And of course, check out my description box and check out some of my previous videos over there. And you can also find a link down there to my Instagram so that you guys can follow me over on there if you would like. So I hope that you guys have a great day, and of course, happy couponing!